beautiful friends and subscriber. Roll again. Yeah, kasama ko po ang hobby ko. Going to my dental appointment. Darling, say hi to my subscriber.
Hello.
Ayun. So, samahan niyo po kami. So, daling ko na po sa ano ang camera. Ayan. So this is Darren. This is Highland. Oh no, this is Alflat, no? What is that, darling? You can talk. Now my husband is the driver, not me. So, we are so fast today. Oh yeah, 65. Today is March 11, Tuesday. The time now here is 1:15 in the afternoon. It's a beautiful day. So my husband is in the mood. I asked him to go with me. Now he is. He is my husband. You can give a joke, darling. So, no, anything. They, some of my subscribers, they want natural talking. Like some other, they are only putting or adding the music background. Me, no, I don't use music background. My music background is myself, by talking. So now we are in here, Ashplat, in front of Walmart. The spring is coming, March 20, start of spring. What we will do here, darling?
I told you.
Oh, I forgot.
Getting a drink.
Oh,
Take it.
yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm fine. I have water here.
You're sitting in your...
So, bibili daw ng ano, yung hobby ko. Dito kami sa Murphy, USA. Pumasok sa shop ng Murphy at bibili daw ng drinks. Ako, I have here. I always drink this. Hindi na tayo masyadong umiinom ng drinks, ng like Coke, no. Automatic, I'm not avoiding. Just automatic, just I like water. But once in a while, I am drinking Coke because my husband, when we are having a grocery, you understand my second language? She don't forget the Coke. 2 pieces of Coke bottle. And because I'm not thinking to buy Coke because drinking Coke is, lalo lang pagpalagi, pero kung madalang lang naman ay okay lang. So, how are you, my beautiful friends and subscriber? I hope you're always in good condition. Teka po, kasi yung aking camera nasa isang stand ng kotse. Tinitignan ko. So, I'm okay, we're fine. So, the spring is coming. March 20, start of spring. So, malapit na tayo umuwi. April 25 is my flight. Yesterday, nag-impake. Yung isang malaki, dalawa lang naman yung suitcase eh. Partner sila. Yung isang maliit, damit ko yun. Pero, magdadala lang tayo ng limitadong damit. Kasi may damit tayo sa Pilipinas. Magdadala lang tayo ng siguro 3 jeans na paborito ko. Isang short. 2 sapatos. Ano pa? Of course, underwear. Yung importante lang. Kasi para mabawasan yung aking bigat ng dalahin. Ayun na si Habi. Ayan. Ito yung binili ng Habi ko. Coca-Cola Orange Cream. First time.
Not bad.
Not bad? Oh, okay. So, punta na tayo sa dental appointment.
Sorry.
Everything. Nagmamani over na. Huh? What's that, darling?
Says Trump.
Oh? Where? I don't see that. I told to my husband subscriber, Arkansas is Trump. Big time.
Yeah, we got to,
I think pretty good.
there's
Wait, orange cream, that's why.
there's Doge.
Oh,
Probably
well.
going to fire some people.
Yeah, the name of the car, no, those. Woo!
Isn't that who's doing it?
Huh?
Isn't that what that is?
Oh yeah, I think.
Doge?
Even the spelling, is it the same, isn't it? Huh? No, D.
D-O-G-E.
Yeah, no, D. There is D.
D-O-D-G.
Yeah, okay. Ayan, straight po tayo. Straight.
Going over here. Is it a truck?
Oh, big truck, yeah?
You did that on purpose, you know.
Uh-huh. Oh, very long truck. Why I feel it's still hot, no? Anyway. Where is mine? This one?
No, it doesn't matter.
Anyway. This is exciting to drink, darling.
I think I put mine here
Yeah,
in front.
Because that's why, look, orange cream.
You think you like it?
Yeah, exciting to
They
drink.
make cherry, they make vanilla.
Yeah, but this is the one I
What
want.
was the other one?
The orange cream.
I couldn't find it. Walmart don't have it. Nobody has it.
Like exciting.
I saw it on TV.
Exciting to drink. Because there is little bit sour and sweetness.
Somebody burning over there.
So I think this Coca-Cola orange cream is it's very good.
Somebody's burning over here.
Oh, well. Yeah, because there is how is now the second hand I'm just only saying, but I'm not interested now for that because I have a lot of clothes. No. So you are now 45, no? 50? Yeah, I'm looking.
Maybe that cop will come up behind me.
The cop?
Yeah, I'll tell him to get lost.
Where is the cop, darling?
They stopped us up here, remember?
Ah, yeah. Before, yeah.
I told them you're out of your jurisdiction. And you were going fast too.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That cup is,
So go ahead, give me a ticket. Go ahead.
he is thinking he can, what we call that?
He can mess with me.
Yeah.
He can't.
Yeah, he can.
Because I'm retired. So
Yeah.
I know the law too. Oh, look, it runs better with them tires. Huh?
Oh, really? Yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Come on now. Hey.
Yay, darling! Oh, I'm afraid with that. Woo!
What's to be afraid of?
Oh, I look like,
As long as you stay in your own lane, you're okay.
yeah, I know, but still, I have a little bit scared with that.
My God, my head. It comes and goes.
Oh,
I hate that. Burning over there too. That state game lands or what?
so this is 3 lane, no? Darling?
What?
3 lane, 1, 2, 3. 3,
Yeah.
yeah, 3 lane road. It's a beautiful Tuesday afternoon. If they will schedule my pulling of my denture,
Pooling?
pulling
They don't pull your denture.
here the tooth, what we call that, extraction. I will ask too soon. If they have no schedule, I will cancel that. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
I don't like going to Philippines. I'm in my, because
nobody can see it anyway.
I know I would like to eat. Very hard to eat if you have
You don't need to eat over there.
huh?
You don't need to eat over there.
I know, that's why, but it's hard to control. I mean,
But you don't need to eat. Wait till you come back.
yeah, I can control, but controlling your eating to avoid this.
When you get over there, don't eat anything until you come home.
Oh, that's that's the Filipino. What do you call that? Means the food. We have Filipino foods in here, but in Asian store very far.
Oh, that is pretty good. Isn't it?
Yeah, because of the orange. Yeah, orange cream. Ingredients orange, the Coca-Cola. The ingredients is orange vanilla flavor and other natural flavors.
Orange vanilla.
Yeah. Here, Coca-Cola, new orange vanilla flavored and other natural flavors.
Yeah, usually cream means vanilla flavor.
Okay. I am 100% recycled
Silly-ass
bottle.
Acres.
Huh?
Silly ass acres.
Who's that?
The name of them few houses back there, they call it Silly Ass Acres.
Darling, we are not in California. What we can do in here? Just throw, no?
Well,
Because this is
you
recycled.
can take them to recycle.
Very far.
Yeah,
Excuse
that's
me.
over where I worked. Over where I worked.
Yeah. Isn't it we have a lot of dakan?
Cash?
Dakan,
Yeah, we have a lot.
why we don't put that in to sell?
It takes about, the gas we waste to get over
Oh,
there
okay.
is about what we're going to get for the can.
So how much is all in all, if you think?
Oh my God, excuse me.
Okay, your excuse. $10? No, $10.
Probably, yeah, about 10 maybe.
Hey, how about our tire, no? In the gas.
Excuse me, maybe more.
Anyway, if sometimes we have something to look for another places, the same.
I'd rather just give them to somebody who's going to come up and pick up that pile of metal. If they're going to take the metal, they can take the cans.
Oh, that's
So
fine.
that way they're getting paid.
Because I think before we live in here, we need to taking care all of that stuff, no? To sell, to give.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The car feels much better, don't it?
I think, yeah. No.
With the new tires. It's not like a...
Yeah. And me,
Because there were wires sticking out of the tires all the way around.
going there, I feel like I'm scared. I'm always looking in there.
Easier to steer too.
Oh, really?
Feeling nice and smooth, it takes a curve. You don't even feel the curve, Marie.
Yeah.
We're lower than the water now. You see?
Yeah.
We're lower than the water.
Yeah, I
If we
think.
were over there, we'd be underwater.
Oh, yeah. So this is lower, no?
Lower than the water.
Yeah. The price of Rebi, the Encanto, that is higher. This
Oh,
way,
yeah, I figured it would be. Because you keep going up the hills.
this way buying residential land there, it will be expensive. But I think that's worth it because you don't need to, when there is, if something happened to the national power, you know, in Nosagray,
She bought that used?
huh?
She bought that house used?
Oh, that is their inheritance to father-in-law, to parents of Lord Joel. That is only 50 square meter, very small. Or less than 100 square meter, there are two house there.
All that she needs.
But that's why they have second floor.
Who owns the first floor?
No, the
Rebbe owns this, who owns this?
no, the example, the 100 square meter is they divided into two. So the 50 square meter, maybe,
Who lives in the house?
the brother of husband of Rebbe. They are neighborhood. So that's why Rebbe plan to have a second floor because you know. So in the second floor, 3 bedroom. 2 small bedroom for single and 2 in the master bedroom. What do you call that? I forget.
Hey guys, you know how to make your wife hurry up when you're going somewhere?
Oh, that's the driver?
While she's getting ready, go out and sit in the car.
The driver?
Oh, I'm telling the guys on your thing there. You want to make your wife hurry up, it's taking too long to go somewhere,
Yeah?
just go out and sit in the car.
What is
I
that?
think that'll throw a hint to her. Come on, time to go.
I don't understand, darling. What is that?
The guys understand.
Ah, okay.
And make your wife hurry up, go out and sit in the car. She'll hurry.
Yeah?
you're going to leave. So she hurries up.
Oh, right, darling. Evening shade. Population 420. So the voters is 420. The people here in America is in the Philippines in one barangay. Many people there. I can open to darling. Why they are very slow, no?
Going through town. People are pulling out of streets and stuff when they go into town, so they have to go slow.
Yeah.
People pull out in front of them.
Oh, we are now Cape City. So we are very near, no?
No, this isn't Cape City.
What? I saw the...
Evening Shade. This is Evening Shade.
Ah, okay, because I saw Bank of Cape City. Yeah, it's still Evening Shade. Ah, Cape City, very nice. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Maybe very hot outside, no?
It tells you temperature outside.
Oh, 83, that's why.
83?
Yeah. Truck. Very big truck. I would like to watch again the Duterte's
Does he speak Tagalog?
Duterte?
Yeah.
Of course. He is a Filipino. But Marcos is the good in English than Duterte. But Duterte is, I think, is also attorney. He graduated. Before I like Duterte.
Still like him?
I don't think so. You change sometimes. Even I heard
Anywhere from 18 to 30,000 he killed. That's what they said.
even I heard Marcos is that is his personal life, no?
He's pretty young, right?
Marcos? I think 60 lower. Maybe 55.
See, Trump wants to abolish the International Criminal Court. He wants to do that because they might pull him in there. Or definitely pull. They already got a warrant out for Netanyahu
Yeah.
and for Putin, and they're all his friends.
No. But he cannot do that, no? Because need what you call that? Check and balance, no?
No, that has nothing to do with us.
Huh?
That has nothing to do with us because that's international. That's not.
Okay.
That's not America. It'd be nice to hear the trial if they spoke English.
I would like to hear the trial, no?
If they spoke English.
Because Netherlands is,
Well, Netherlands, they speak Dutch.
or maybe
They're German Dutch.
they have a translation.
They have what?
Translation.
Oh, maybe.
The people who are, you know, there is, I think. Isn't it if Zelensky talking, sometimes if he is not talking English,
Yeah.
there is automatic, the interpreter.
There's 16 judges.
Okay.
16. Huh?
16 judges. So,
They got nice jail anyway. They do.
yeah, I saw.
They have everything you want, just like home.
Why they make that? That way the jail is beautiful.
International criminal.
Okay. So anyway, yeah, okay, fine. The jail is beautiful. How about your family, no?
They can come in too.
To stay there?
They can even bring their kids.
Maybe only for a while.
Maybe like 20 years. I don't know what. If they find him guilty, which they will,
Yeah.
they'll probably give him like 20 years. If his family wants to come in, they can come in.
Oh, that's amazing, you know.
Yeah.
And maybe they will come.
They can cook their own meals and everything, just like home. Everything you can.
Because
Anything you can do
Sara
at
Duterte,
home, you can do there.
he have only 2 daughters. Daughter to Sara
They
Duterte,
can come in.
the vice president,
They can come in and stay
And-
overnight with them or whatever.
and the daughter to common wife because they are not married. I don't know why. Only one daughter to common wife.
Where are we at now?
I think we are near. saw the Dollar General, less than 1 minute or seconds. Welcome to Cave City, yeah. So maybe 5 minutes more to go.
Where's he at? Right here, right there?
No, not yet, darling. No, not yet, darling, not yet. Still, I don't see the Dollar Tree, Dollar General. Maybe 2 minutes more, darling. The Dollar General is in here, in the right side. Maybe 2 minutes more. I think
There's
Dollar.
a Dollar Tree.
Yeah, Dollar General, darling. Maybe 1 minute more. Yeah, I saw the sign.
I don't see it.
I think that is Dollar General. So after that,
I think we passed it.
past maybe 30 seconds and that's it.
There's Dollar General.
Yeah. So malapit na po tayo. Ayan, nakita na natin ang Dollar General. You can see the what wailing.
Right there.
Yeah, okay. Wailing drug.
Look.
Yeah, andito na tayo. Ayan, salamat. Andito na kami. Thank you. Nagmamani over si Habi. Ayan. Sa improve ng dentist. Napakabilis. Hindi ko kaya yung mabilis. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Laban lang.
What's that?
Like,